Alright guys, so today I'm playing around with a PRISM.
Wow.
You probably see a lot of photographers use this. Like right now I'm not really holding it up to the lens at all, but typically you hold it up to the lens and it creates a cool effect. Also I want to mention I'm not using any flashes. I'm using these light bulbs and let me find the box. I don't remember what that one is, but this one right here I'm using. Let it focus, come on. Come on. It's a 100 watt. The lumens is 1500. It's bright white, if you cannot tell. And that one, I'm not too sure. Alright, so I found a really cool way to make this piece look like it has a reflection under it. I want to see what it looks like in post, but I'll put up a picture of what I end with. But to do this, what I figured out, I tried to use my phone, but it didn't work as well. I take this prism, put it under my lens and I turn it until when I see it in the viewfinder that the reflection is bouncing off on this. I did that also with a piece of glass actually the other day with when Allie was here modeling. That ended up being real cool. It's something cool to try out. Alright, so the reason why that we get a mirrored reflection on the prism is because of a thing called direct reflection, or also popularly known as specular reflection. These reflections are mirror images of the light source that produces them. For example, I'll put a picture of a mountain reflecting off of a calm lake. That's the same thing. Alright, so I'm kind of recording this outro a little bit later, but I also want to go into where you can get one of these. You just search Prism, and you can find they're really cheap. Like 15 bucks. Also, when I've realized when I was taking pictures with this, I clipped an edge and I think it fell into my ceramic piece. It happens. But thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys like this little kind of like how to kind of learning some definitions kind of thing. Please drop a like on this and subscribe if you have not already. Have a great day.